in magnetic field due to a conductor, due to straight conductor. In this, what is there, that we have to take a piece of a cardboard, cut it from the center and insert a straight conductor inside it. This is what you will do in the lab also, that आपको एक कार्डबोर्ड लेना है और एक स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर मिलेगा. आपने उसको जब एंटर कर सेंटर से उसको स्लिट किया, स्लिट करने के बाद कंडक्टर को उसके अंदर फिट किया. आफ्टर दैट कनेक्ट दिस कंडक्टर टू द सर्किट. इसको हमने एक सर्किट के साथ लगा दिया. रियोस्टेट and the battery. Then what will we see? Just like if you see here, I have dropped positive end here and negative, connected positive end here and negative. So electrons start flowing from here. Current will move from positive to south. Negative means south end is this one and north end is this one. Current, the direction of the current is south to north. At that time we will see that the direction of the magnetic field will be anti-clockwise. It will move anti-clockwise. How can we come to know about it कि ये anti-clockwise जाएगी? And one more another thing will come to know this thing, that when we sprinkle iron fillings on this board and tap it from one end, we will see all these iron fillings, they arrange themselves in the form of a concentric circle. And this can, and now here from these concentric circles, if we have to find out what is the direction of the magnetic field, we can use the magnetic compass. You just place the magnetic compass near the conductor, we will see it will monitor you, guide you to move like this. वो हमें डायरेक्शन बताएगी ना. अब ये डायरेक्शन हमें कैसे पता लगेगी? What all of you have to do, look here all of you. आप लोगों ने क्या किया? Yes, what you have to do, you have to hold a pencil or pen in your hand, all of you, like this, what I am doing. इसको होल्ड करो, पेन को सेंटर में, hold it and keep thumb upwards. Am I visible to everybody? Keep it upward like this. Hold your pens and you will see that the direction from downside to upside, current is moving from down end to upper end. This means that down section is the south end and upper end is the north end. So current is moving from south to north and towards which your fingers are whirling. Thumb will represent the direction of the current and the side towards which our fingers are whirling, they will give us the direction of the magnetic field. ये हमें डायरेक्शन बता देंगी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की कि कौन सी है. और अभी हम देखेंगे कि साउथ एंड से नॉर्थ एंड की तरफ जब जा रहा होगा, एट दैट टाइम द फिंगर्स विल मूव टुवर्ड्स एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. मीन्स घड़ी की जैसे उल्टी सुइयाँ चलती हैं ना, हैंड्स होते हैं, लाइक दैट इट विल मूव. मूविंग फ्रॉम साउथ डायरेक्शन टू नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, एट दैट टाइम direction of the magnetic field lines will be anti-clockwise. Got it? Now just make a circle of your hand. Opposite करो अब इस hand को अपना, twist करो, opposite कर दो, उल्टा कर दो. ठीक है? While holding a pen, now your thumb will be downwards. Thumb is downwards. Now look at the direction of your whirled fingers. They will give us the direction of the clockwise. Just like a clock is there, towards which direction the fingers or the hands of the clock move, in the similar manner the fingers of our hand are also whirling. So at this time we will come to know that if a current is moving from north end to south end, north to south, the direction of the magnetic field will also reversed. So now at this time it will move towards the clockwise direction. So we can come to know about it with the help of a clock rule also. Magnetic field is denoted by capital B. Magnetic field is denoted by capital B. So, and its SI unit is Tesla. 1T. Got it? Got it? One more thing is here, that to find out the direction of the magnetic field, we can say that we have to use the right hand thumb rule. This is known as the right hand thumb rule. According to this rule, what does it says? Imagine the straight conductor in your right hand such that the thumb points in the direction of the current and the direction of the curled fingers will give us the direction of the magnetic field lines. Got it? Now, on what factors does it depend? This magnetic field, it depends on the this magnetic field depends on the amount of the current moving in a circuit, and it will be directly proportional to the current, how much of amount of the current is moving in a circuit. Magnetic field, जितना current strong रहेगा, magnetic field भी उतना strong रहेगा. And here you can see that here we are finding that there are the concentric circles. ये circles बन रहे हैं ना near the conductor. Circle बन रहा है, ठीक है? Now here we will see yes or no. Is it visible? Yes or no? Okay. तो जो ये हमारे पास करंट बन रहा है, राइट, सो ये जो करंट ये हमारे पास जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बन रहा है, वी विल कम टू नो दैट इट इज़ अ सर्कल. इट विल मेक इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ सर्कल. और अगर ये सर्कल है, इट मीन्स इट दिस सर्कल मस्ट बी हैविंग अ रेडियस, राइट. सो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बी inversely proportional to the radius of the what? Radius of what? Radius of the circle. Radius of the circle around the magnetic field. It will be there. कि अगर करंट इंक्रीज करते हैं तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो होगी वो भी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगी. दैट विल ऑल्सो गेट्स इंक्रीज. And if we move away from this center of this conductor, अगर इसके सेंटर से हम दूर जाते हैं, ये जो सर्कल्स हैं रेडियस हम इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे, वी विल नोटिस दिस थिंग दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बिकम डिक्रीज हियर. इसका जो इफेक्ट होगा वो कम होता जाएगा. जस्ट लाइक यू आर मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर इन द सेम मैनर. डिड यू गेट इट? Did you? Okay.